In today's video, we're going to be diving into a charge on credit card and, raised concerns for a lot of people. Okay. And it's called My Crisis Gear. Okay. So if you've spotted this charge in your statement and maybe you're scratching your head or even feeling uneasy, then you're not alone. Okay. Because this video is going to aim to inform and caution you, okay, about this unexpected charge that has been appearing for a lot of people and individuals who claim that they never subscribe to My Crisis Gear. Now, if you're new to this channel, what I do here is I, review and talk about credit card charges. So I've got a private communities and forums where these things are being discussed, and people share their honest opinion about how they're able to solve the charge. So I come here to give my honest thought about that particular, that particular charge. So if that interests you, you might want to smash the red subscribe button so that you can be notified whenever I drop new review videos like this regarding credit card charges. All right. Now let's go ahead and talk more about this. Now I'm going to start with, we identifying the charge because, from those who are impacted by this credit card charge, then My Crisis Gear might actually show up to, charge amount around $49, okay, $49.95, if that also includes to yours. So this fee, it's kind of recurring, okay, and it has caused a lot of confusion and frustration. So in a lot of cases, a lot of individuals have noticed it on their statement without even knowing what actually happened because they feel like they didn't subscribe to anything related. Okay, and a lot of other people report that this charge is tied to an unclear subscription model that they didn't actually sign up for. Okay, so it kind of causes deception among several people. Okay, so in case you've also experienced this also and you wonder exactly what might have happened, then we're gonna go ahead and do justification to this. Okay, now talking about my research and investigation, and when I looked into My Crisis Gear, several reports across forums and social media, they indicate that this is a common issue. Okay, and also many people have also shared their experiences, claiming that they were charged without prior consent. So there are even discussions where customers tried reaching out to the company for explanations or refunds, but they kind of receive minimal assistance. Okay, so I've seen also a lot of people also suspect that it's kind of a misleading subscription that might have get attached to certain purchases, and this has caught a lot of buyers off guard. All right. Now let me talk about the steps that you can take, possibly for you to solve this issue. Okay. Now, when you're faced with this charge, it is very essential for you to take action. Okay. And the first thing is that you want to reach out to the company directly. You might want to go ahead and reach out to Crisis Gear. Okay, through their website. Okay, or reaching out to them, and possibly you might get it solved. Although from my research, a lot of people reported limited success, okay, in receiving responses or solution from My Crisis Gear. Okay, and in cases whereby you've gone ahead to reach out to them and direct contact doesn't work, then the next thing you want to do is that you want to contact your credit card provider. Okay, because it's often the best course. Okay, so reach out to your credit card provider. Those ones are going to reply you 100%. So reach out to them, and possibly you might get that solved. Okay, because I've seen a lot of people report success in also reaching out to their credit card issue. Okay, and another solution and step that a lot of people have taken that actually worked for them is disputing the charge, okay, and receiving a refund through their banks. Okay, so a lot of people have gone ahead to dispute charge on this, and they report a lot of success in that. If you can do this also, dispute the charge, and you can receive refund through your bank, then you can also be able to solve this issue as soon as possible, and also solve any future unforeseen circumstances just like this. And I will also suggest that you make sure to explain the situation clearly. Okay, because credit card providers can classify it as an unauthorized or disputed transaction. So make sure that you explain the situation clearly to them. So those are the steps that you can take. Okay, reaching out to Crisis Gear. If that does not work, you can reach out to your credit card issuer. If that doesn't work, then make sure you contact or dispute the charge, rather. You can dispute the charge and receive a refund through your bank. Okay, now let's talk about some preventive tips for you which you can take into consideration. Okay, now in order for you to avoid these situations in future, then always make sure that you regularly review your credit card statement to catch any unusual charges early. Okay, so it is very important, review your credit card statement to catch any unusual charges as early as possible, because this way it can help you solve any future
circumstances just like this. Okay. And also, it's a very good practice to contact your credit card issuer in case you spot any unauthorized charges. Okay, so reach out to your credit card issuer and contact them. Okay, in case you spot any charges just like this one. And also, many banks do offer fraud protection and dispute options. Okay, it's very common, so do not hesitate to make use of them. Okay, using fraud protection, okay, and dispute options, it is very important and paramount. Okay, and another preventive measure is to make sure you read the fine print whenever you're making purchases online, because a lot of people do not read the fine print. So read it out. I mean, read it to yourself and make sure you understand clearly, because certain sites might have hidden subscriptions that you do not know. So make sure you read their fine print. That way, you know that what you're paying for, it's not subscription based, but a one-time purchase kind of offer. Okay, so those are the preventive tips that I have for you. Well, in summary, I think the My Crisis Gear charge has left a lot of people frustrated. Okay, and several people have shared their findings from my research and also from private communities and forums that I belong to. And I kind of hope that this helps other people to also be vigilant, and also you likewise. So in case you've experienced something similar, you can go ahead and take into action what I've advised you to do here. And if any one of these things work for you, please do not forget to come back, share your comments, okay, so that it can help other people to also make the best decision out there, okay. And also, you need to know that staying informed is one of the best defenses against unauthorized charges. So always remember to check statements, okay, and also stay cautious and take action promptly if you notice any unusual and charges like this, okay. So thank you very much for your time. I believe this video has been helpful. If it is, please do not forget to smash the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new review videos just like this, or any videos regarding credit card charges. And also like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to several other people out there who might be needing solution to something like this, and they want to learn more about My Crisis Gear on charge on their credit card. Well, till another time, I will see you in another video. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.